If you're managing projects in Asana, one of the very first things you'll need to know is how to add new team members. Whether you're onboarding a colleague, a client, or an entire team, Asana makes it simple to invite users and get everyone collaborating quickly. In this guide, I'll walk you step by step through the different ways you can add a user to Asana. First, open your browser and log into your Asana account. Enter your email and password, then head over to your homepage. From here, everything you need is just a click away. The fastest way to invite someone is by using the plus icon on the top bar. Click it, select invite, and enter the email address of the person you want to add. You can also choose which project they should be part of right from the start. Once that's set, hit send and the invitation goes directly to their inbox. If you don't see the plus icon, there's another method. Look at the bottom left of your screen. You'll find an option called Invite Teammates. Clicking that opens the same process. Type in the email, assign them to a project if needed, and send the invite. For even more control, you can invite users directly from inside a project. Just open the project, click on Details, and under the Assignee field, you'll see an option to invite teammates. Again, enter their email and confirm the invite. This way, the user is added straight into the project they'll be working on. Each of these methods is quick and flexible, so you can choose whichever works best for your workflow. Once your new teammate accepts the invitation, they'll have access to the project and can immediately start collaborating. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add a user to Asana in just a few minutes. By inviting the right people and connecting them to the right projects, you'll keep your team aligned and make collaboration seamless. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more productivity tips, and share this with anyone else who might be getting started with Asana. Thanks for watching, and here's to more productive projects ahead.